Hi, I'm Jessica Bates, Marketing Manager at Sidco Filter Company. Today I'm with Bob Kennedy, Technical Sales Manager of Sidco Filter Company. You might recognize Bob from his product and sales training sessions, which is an added value service that we offer to our distributors and resellers. Today, we'll discuss ways to connect with customers when you can't visit. Bob, how are you today?
I'm doing well, Jessica. Thank you. How are you today?
I'm good. So, Bob, connecting with customers is essential to creating and nurturing relationships to retain and grow business. But with recession talk, layoffs, or teams just trying to be conscious of their budgets, this might not leave much of a travel budget for customer site visits. So, what can teams do to connect with their customers when visits may not be an option?
Yeah. Well, we have a few ways to connect with customers without site visits. First, to get face to face with your customers. Getting FaceTime with your customers will increase your sales and strengthen relationships. You can schedule a Zoom luncheon or an afternoon chat with customers to discuss various topics like saving money, getting to know equipment, working more effectively, and even getting to know your customers better.
I agree. And COVID has really shown us that video meetings are an effective way to stay connected and build relationships.
Yeah.
How else can sales teams use products like Zoom to connect with their customers?
Ask your customers to do a virtual tour where they walk through their facility with you on Zoom. This gives the opportunity to have a real-time conversation about what is happening in their facility. You may be able to identify other pieces of equipment that you could supply replacement filters for.
Oh, that's a really great idea. And we are available to join our customers on those virtual tours for support, correct?
Absolutely. A Sidco team member can join the call to help identify filter opportunities for our customers, provide technical information, and help answer any possible questions they may have.
Oh, Bob, you're so helpful. What's our third way to connect?
Another way to connect with your customer is to conduct a product assessment. You gain valuable insight into how and why your customers use your product. With this information, you can suggest improvements, sell additional products, and even get reoccurring orders by helping set them up on a preventative maintenance plan. Uh, a, a, a truly thorough product assessment can increase sales revenue, order frequency, and nurture relationships with existing customers.
Oh, and increasing sales revenue, increasing order frequency, and focusing on the customer are the three areas we covered in our last video, which was explaining the 10-10-10 method and how that can increase your overall sales.
Good point.
So, Bob, who should be doing this?
Well, sales teams and decision makers for sure.
Oh, okay. And I do have one more way that companies can connect with their customers. So since I am marketing department, it's utilizing social media. A well-run social media account is a window into your company. Sharing who and what makes up your company builds trust with existing customers and provides opportunities to gain new customers.
That ties into what I mentioned earlier about getting to know your customers. This is a way for them to get to know you also.
Exactly. And to expand on that, an active social media channel can be an information powerhouse. Gathering information from likes, comments, and user engagement provides insight into your customers' preferences and feelings towards your company and products.
Mhm.
So, Bob, can you give us a quick recap?
Sure. We can connect customers when we get face to face with customers, go on a virtual tour, conduct product assessments, and utilize social media.
Well, Bob, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. So, to everyone out there watching, we hope that you were able to take these tips and connect with your customers. Keep an eye out for our next Sidco sales tip. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your week.
Yes, have a great day. Thank you.